How to send money to Revolut account. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can do it. In case if you want to send it to your account or add money to your own account, then you can simply click on this option of add money, and then you would be able to select the option of regular bank transfer. Just select it and you would be able to transfer money from your bank account to your Revolut account. And in case if you want to send money to any other Revolut account or someone else, then simply click on this option of transfer at the middle in the bottom. And after that, you can either search someone using their name or their Revolut tag, their phone number or email. There are plenty of options to choose from. You can just search them and after that you can transfer money to them. Other than that, you can also click on this option of new at the top right hand side corner and then select the kind of transfer that you want to make, whether it is a bank transfer or card transfer. You can also make a group transfer. So just choose one of the options. Suppose you want to send money to a person in their bank account, then simply select this option of bank recipient, provide their details and you would be able to send them money. And this way you would be able to make transfer or send money on Revolut. And this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.